Move your feet too. Yeah, kick your feet. Do the Batman dance. Oh no, what's happened to Avery?
Ella and I are having screaming contest.
Avery, come here. Come here. Stand up, stand up.
1, 2, 3. You won that. You won it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you showed her how to do the you showed her how to do the weird arm thing.
Okay, I said that the elf on the shelf was creepy. I did.
Okay.
Wow, that's going on YouTube. I tell you.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you put her on YouTube.
Zydeco arm weirdness.
Ready to have a screaming contest? 1, 2, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Did you video me?
I did video. Do it again.
Hey, I want to see it.
All right, hold on. We'll stop. We'll look at it.